It's so hard to believe it's already been a year since Grandma Myra passed. So many of you first discovered Art Life through the journey of saving her home, her castle. Some question the time it took to be saved, while others just hope she got to enjoy it. Yes, she did. And this is just a little glimpse into some of her touches she added.
Look at the details. Okay.
It's been nearly 5 years since the big renovation. It's time to refresh and now honor her legacy. So stay tuned for the journey.
Are you okay? Oh my Lord. Let me put this stuff down. Look at her, she got a tablet.
I got 2 iPads. I got this one for work and this one for play.
You silly.
I was asking big move.
Alright, babe, so what's the game plan?
So the game plan is to wipe down these heavy traffic areas where it's dirt. Mop up in here, and then we're gonna put some fresh paint on there. I need to go up here, cut out this hole, and start this drywall or mud that. And you got
What you want to do is the hip bone is connected to the backbone,
And then-
the backbone is connected to the shoulder bone.
Okay.
Fast forwarding. Have a good day.
It's just a bunch of stuff that's here that shouldn't be here. A bunch of stuff that's been here for years that's garbage. So we're gonna throw all that stuff away. And I got some big bags too.
Y'all brought some bags.
What's up, Reggie?
What's up, y'all? How you doing? Ready to work now? I know I don't get paid, but it's all right, though.
Y'all see this shirt? That's like the original Bikino can. So anybody want that Bikino smoke? What you about to hop on and do?
I don't know.
This the one that had paint on this jacket. And it was talking about.
Yeah.
You coming to work tomorrow?
Yeah,
Oh, for real?
I should have took off my jacket.
I told you. You had a little baby voice at the time.
Boo, you laid off, I heard. That true?
Everybody here do the painting. No, none of they know how to paint.
My business just kidding.
Y'all was way smaller. That's funny.
What we eating?
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
So y'all, this is my mother here.
Alright.
Do it, see your voice.
No.
Come on, bro. You ain't
do
never
it.
do the helium.
No, you don't.
did.
You
You
better
do that.
not peer pressure. Don't do it.
Hey, boo.
Let Reggie do it. They was telling that. Watch yourselves on American Greed, y'all. Yeah.
We probably sit them on the side outside. My sister be making like decorations, balloons, numbers, all this type of stuff, and think she can leave it here.
Cleveland money bouquets,
Cleveland
right?
money bouquet.
And look, we can't forget about Charmsville.
Y'all can come shop pendants. We have small, medium, large. Heart pendants, angel pendants, our #1 bestseller. They're really good.
Alright. Busy. What you got going on?
So we got an issue with this handrail. See, it's wobbly. So what it was attached to, ain't holding it no more. So now we're gonna put this 2x4 on here first, and then to make sure this 2x4 is screwed in actual studs, and then we're gonna screw the handrail to the 2x4. Is gonna be way stronger.
Now, if you cut it even this way, you'll have more wood.
Sure, I got my saw. You wanna cut it for me?
I like my hands, man.
They ain't sewing back on. That's what the hospital for.
Man.
You go back to the hospital, man.
Oh yeah, dog. Me either. Too.
Build up. Let's see if this works. Yeah.
You betting it's not gonna come on? Yeah. Okay, bet 5. Let's go, come on.
Make sure you scrub. Make sure you scrub. Circular motion. Circular motion.
Oh, that's not coming off? Yeah, you go.
And look who's ready to help. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay.
What you doing, Bill?
I'm changing the
Why the
light.
lights one? You can't do it. It's too small.
I got it.
Your hands wet. You can't do it.
Oh, my hand's not wet.
On them gloves.
I didn't touch the water.
Man, you fixing this vent in the living room too? Twist it again, Bill.
Yeah, you want that angle with that.
That. Like, I want the red one.
So I'm about to actually hit this hole up here now.
Big head Jalen.
What you done discovered, Jay?
So, I found a whole pack of tissue up there. It's hangers and stuff all up there.
He is knocking this down.
What is this, some money up here?
Money. Y'all, we done found a shoe up there. Like, they got shoes up there, bags and stuff. Tissue. What else is that up there? And this is Ava recording right now.
No, it's TJ recording.
No, it's Ava. Look, shoe right there and shoe right there. I think he's finished. Hold up, get that tissue out of there.
It's all right there.
Oh my God.
But we about to replace that.
Turn me up, Jake.
Type of way.
Woo, the process of cleaning. We still here. Now, y'all know we gotta be the last ones here, right?
Always.
You probably like, I wish I went around with them. He said, right, bruh. And look at our little game. TJ like, y'all still working? They would have been trying to stay woke anyway.
You can follow them because I'm going the other way. Chasing after paper, trying to redirect the way.
Oh Lord, he lost. Let me just sleep and mind my business. That's what happened when it's past your bedtime. You get to glitching.
One thing, if I leave, I ain't coming back.
Woo.
They're gonna be like, what about the hole? What about it?
Time to go to bed.
That's crazy. This is the first time I sat down. I can't be sitting down.
Same thing for me.
I'm out the mud. I done got this piece of drywall up, so now I'm about to just mud these corners, tape them up with this tape I got here, and seal this up. We don't even have no flat paint to match this paint, so.
But it need to dry anyway. But...
Yeah, for sure. But yeah, it gotta dry and all that good stuff first, so this gonna be nice and patched up. So the issue that happened in this whole area right here was over time it just was leaking. We wasn't sure what it was. Thought it was the wax ring on the toilet. Replaced the wax ring, still was leaking, and then we just ended up having to cut open the wall. My dude D, he the one that actually came over and tightened up that fitting because it was nasty. It's a nasty job, man. He had water dripping down his arm from the toilet line, but he got it up there. Paid him to do that. That's an issue that was happening for the longest of time, and it's funny because it didn't happen when I renovated the house, but it started happening like a year later or something like that.
You actually unclogged it.
Yeah, so the toilet was clogged a couple times, and I think that's probably what actually made that come loose because we had a that was nasty. But all that behind us, even my grandma always said, like, oh, always been an issue leaking right here. Even a long time ago when we was younger, always was something leaking right here, and it kept getting patch fixed. We got to tighten up now. If it leak again, don't know what else.
I was about to say, it just ain't meant for this to be covered. No.
Man, you just gonna have to be open. See-through ceiling. You ever seen that? And here he go. He downstairs, always complaining. You find a way. If it ain't working, you find a way. Don't just give up. About to get my mud on.
Everybody get your mud on.
Everybody get your Mickey.
What?
I'll just make my own while y'all trying to follow ways. Bet it make her scream when them dreams ain't far away. Think she in a dream and you can see it on her face. Seen that money stream, now baby, that's my type of way. Going after goals, I ain't got no time to waste. Sit you getting sticky, but I still keep the pace. Trying to beat me when I never called the race. Thought it was real love, turned out the shit was fake. Can't pick up my motion. Cruise, now we coasting. Make my own wave like a boat that's in the ocean. Get took by the tide, but you gotta stay focused.
All right, so this is where our handrail was at. See these holes right here? Counter was just blown out. So this 2x4 is gonna go through this wall like so. And then our handrail is gonna screw to here. Yeah, you like that cut, don't you? So I want to really make some holes in here. See where my stud is at. All right, so we got a stud right here, so right there. So we got a stud there. It should be 16 inches apart, but it's an old house, so ain't no telling. Might be right here. Nothing. Right here. So we got another stud right here. Solid. And then we can hit one up there. These is 20 inches apart. solid. It might be. Three of them tanks. Only they 20 inches apart. So this next one should be right here. Nothing. Right here. I can put this boy on top of here. And I know that we got something solid. So they can put much weight they can. And it shouldn't go nowhere. If it do, don't go on me. No, just fine. Then this wood cover up our little holes that we just made too. Good to pre-drill these joints. I'm trying to do it the hard way. What's up, Wad? Ain't no Wi-Fi. So we actually got to get some 3-inch screws for these. Using these exterior screws. I like using exterior on interior because that means that's overkill. It's really strong. There we go. Now our base is solid. Now we can just grab our rail, screw it up. This is our beautiful rail here. Bam.
Wouldn't that be ain't supposed to go in this hole?
Yeah, that's what it's gonna go. Right there where we're about to bop me in here. We got another screw somewhere. I got off on my iPad. I gotta go over. See that? This is the reason why I hear you don't wear rubber gloves. It's like certain gloves you gotta have when dealing with these, because this could rip up your finger, all types of stuff.
Let's go straight down. Oh, Lord.
Hold on, don't go too fast. No, you good, keep going.
Yeah.
Alright. Put one more screw in here, this 4-incher. So that joint, we know for a fact that's holding that in, because we want this sturdy as possible. So we probably throw another 4-incher in down there. We got one here. So y'all let me know what y'all think about this install right here. This is a quick way to fix some real wobbly handrails. And this is very important because this can be a life or death situation for somebody that's coming down these stairs or coming up. They can fall. This thing can rip off and break. So just do it right and make sure it's nice and sturdy. Make sure it actually going to a stud and don't try to use them anchors. Like this video, y'all, one time so other people that like these type of videos can find our channel. So we appreciate it. Go to ARTTLife.com too. This boy crazy. He's gonna fall through the steps. ARTTLife.com. It's an Art Life type of day. You see the hat.
Say she love me, and that's straight. You can follow them because I'm going the other way. Chasing after paper, trying to redirect the way. I'll just make my own while y'all trying to follow way.
Let us know what was your favorite part of this video. Don't forget to like so we can reach more people like you. And of course, stay tuned for the rest of the series.